Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning to everyone. So I think you all are busy about your preparations. I think just 2 or 3 days later, you will sit for the desires exam. This is a half yearly feedback class assessment. So my dear students, inshallah, first few minutes today, we will revise exercise 1.1 to 1.6. So inshallah, tomorrow we will revise algebra and geometric side again. So today we will revise from the arithmetic exercise 1.1 to 1.6. So I think there are now 32 students connected with us. Just 1 minute. Can you see the board diagram here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, step by step, inshallah, within this short time, inshallah, we will try to complete exercise 1.1 to 1.6. Yes, sir. So first, this is actually question and answering sessions. I will call your name, then you will answer the questions, and then you may ask me any questions from the topics. So,
Sir,
yes, sir.
sir, do we have to write the questions in our copy?
Actually, যতটুকু আমু পসিবল হয় লিখবে, বাট আমি একটু কুইকলি ডিসকাস করব, যেহেতু আমাদের এখানে অনেকগুলো কন্টেন্ট এক্সারসাইজ 1.1 থেকে 1.6, যেইটুকু তোমার জন্য মনে হয় এসেনশিয়াল তুমি ঠিক এইটুকু লিখতে পারো, আদারওয়াইজ খুব সবগুলো লেখাটাই ম্যান্ডেটরি না। ওকে
Okay, sir.
ওকে আম্মু, থ্যাংক ইউ। First question number 1, just you will raise your hand, no directly answer. I will call your name and then you, the number here 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So please raise your hand. What is the number? This number is called in international system. Please raise your hand. What is called the number 1 in international system? The number given in the board. So please raise your hand. Those already complete, no directly answer. Can you see the board? Okay. There are 1 2 0 3. Yes, there. Please raise your hand those who can answer. What is called in international system, not in local system? Number 1. There are yes, one student have raised hand. Okay, Ammu, I will give 10 seconds more, please. There are only one student have raised hand. What is called in international system? 133. Aisha binte Azad already raised hand. Tahia Islam, yes. Ammu, you have raised hand. Arisha Kadri, thank you. Amanton Noor, what about you, Ammu? Why you are, yes, you have raised hand, thank you. Next. Okay, now I think there are only 5 students have raised hand. Okay, first raise hand, Aisha binte Azad. Ammu, now what is the answer?
100 billion.
Okay, and is again please.
100 billion.
It's 100 billion. 1,000 million. Okay, anyone? 306. Amanton Noor, Ammu, she's right. 306.
Sir, I think it will be 1 billion.
It will be 1 billion. Okay, let me review by the third one. 310. 310. Arisha Kadri, Ammu.
Sir, 100 billion.
1,000 billion. Why you are changing the answer? 221. 221.
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer here?
Sir, 1 billion.
1 billion. Okay. First here. Okay. Now give attention here. First comma. for after 3 digits, second comma after 3 digit, third comma after 3 digits. So everyone give attention. First comma in the local system, first comma for 1000. International system, first comma for 1000. Second comma for million. Second comma for millions, and third comma for billion. So now it's 100 billion. 100, 1000, 1000, million, billion. So it's 100 billion. So here we can write here. The word is now in the shortly 100 billions. I think those who have answered correctly, and congratulations and thank you so much. It's 100 billion. So now question number 2. Here, this is the question number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think now if I erase the number here, 5, and then there is a blank box. Which digit, give attention here, which digit should be placed in the blank box so that the number will be divisible by 6? I am repeating again, everyone write in your classwork copy. Which number should be placed in the blank box so that the whole number will be divisible by 6? I am repeating again, which digit should be placed in the blank box so that the whole number will be divisible by 6?
Sir, can you please repeat again?
Which digit should be placed in the blank box so that the whole number will be divisible by 6? Everyone, please carry the maths book. আমার পাশাপাশি তোমাদের কাছে math বইটা থাকলে you can write easily. The condition is divisible by 6. So now raise your hand. Which number or which digit should be placed in the blank box so that the whole number will be divisible by 6? There are 303 Amu, you have raised hand. Just to, you will give the 10 seconds more, please everyone. Each and every MCQ you will get maximum 1 minute.
Sir,
So
can you
now-
show the number 1 again? Because I
No,
came
Amu,
late.
please just end of the class I will show again. Now give attention in the number B. Number B, I think also you can write your answer to me in the comment section. So which digit, I am repeating the question again, which digit should be placed in the blank box so that the number will be divisible by 6? The 2 students only have raised hand. Amu, I think you all know what is the divisibility condition of 6 and 6, 2, 4 and 5. So now there are first student who have raised hand 303. Noushin Niha, Amu, unmute yourself. 311 from G3.
Yes, sir.
Which digit? Yes, which digit should be placed in the blank box?
6.
Here will be placed in 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here will be the placed in the 6. Your answer is 6. Anyone else? 128 Ammo, unmute yourself. 128.
Yes, sir.
She is right. She said the 6 will be placed in the blank box so that the number will be divisible by 6. She is right.
Sir, my answer is 5.
Your answer is 5. Just you are see here the 5 is missing from up to 8. That's why you are thinking your answer is 5. Okay, this is the hidden
No,
trick.
sir. I first
Okay,
I
Ammu.
first
Okay.
added all the numbers.
Okay, Ammu. Let me review by another one. 310. Harisha Kadri Ammu.
Sir, it will be 5 because if we add the sum, then there will be 31. And if we add 5, then it will be 36.
Okay, Ammu. I think you are thinking the answer is okay. Answer is 5. তোমরা আর কেউ বলবে different answer, or I think all you are thinking about 5 and 6. আর কারোর মধ্যে কোনো different logic আছে? Is there anyone who want to say the something different with the logic? Okay, now yes,
Sir, I think the answer will be 5.
you think answer will be 5. I think maximum vote in 5. Okay, Ammu, let me review. For the condition of divisibility rules by 6, the number must be divisible by 2 numbers. One is 2, another is 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, the whole number will be divisible by 6. So now first 2, this number is definitely divisible by 2 because last digit is even number. Last digit is even number, so it's divisible by 2. Now it is time to review by 3. So now first 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus, mute yourself, 8. তো আম্মু আমি যদি সবাইকে মিউট করে দিই, প্লিজ যে আইডি থেকে একটু সাউন্ড, I think punishment দেওয়া দরকার. I think you should raise hand. Okay, now 1 2 3 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 7, 16 plus 7 23, 23 plus 8, 23 plus 8, there will be 31. দেখো তো তোমাদের সাম কি 31 আসছে? Did your sound is 31 or not? Let me review. 8,
Yes, sir.
okay, 15, 31.
Yes,
So
sir.
now 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 21, 25, and 25, 31. So 31 is not divisible by 3. So এটা divisible by 3 করতে হলে আমাদের কি করতে হবে? যদি আমি এখানে 31 থেকে কত অ্যাড করলে আমাদের 3 দ্বারা ডিভাইড হবে? 31 এর সাথে আমি যদি 1 অ্যাড করি, it one will be 32. If we add 1, this one will be 32. Not. If we add here 2, this one will be 33. তাহলে যদি আমরা একটা ব্ল্যাঙ্ক বক্সের মধ্যে যদি 2 সেট করি, the total result will be 33, which is divisible by 3. So the blank box answer will be 3, the smallest number. The answer, exact answer, the least number should be placed here 2. এখন দেখো তোমাদের কোশ্চেন যেখানে তোমাদেরকে আমি একটু চেঞ্জ করেছি, যদি আমি লিস্ট নাম্বার বলি, if I say here the least number, it one answer will be 2. যদি আমি লিস্ট নাম্বার না বলি তাহলে তোমাদের আনসারও কারেক্ট. The answer is 5 also. Okay, also okay. Did you get my point? যদি আমি লিস্ট নাম্বার বলি, which list number should be placed, তখন আনসার হবে 2. যখন আমি বলি which number should be placed, so আমাদের 2 আনসার হতে পারে, 5 আনসার হতে পারে, কারণ 5 ইউজ করলো আমাদের এখানে দেখো কত হয়, 31 plus 5, 31 plus 5 হচ্ছে 36. So 36 is divisible by 3. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
So আমি কি বলছি বলে, if I ask you the question, if we ask the least number, যদি আমরা লিস্ট নাম্বার বলি তাহলে আনসার হবে 2, আর যদি লিস্ট নাম্বার না বলি তাহলে 2 হতে পারে, 5 হতে পারে, নো প্রবলেম. ওকে আম্মু, কেউ একজন কোশ্চেন করছিল, প্লিজ.
Sir, can you explain again?
সরি,
Can you explain again? আমার নেটে একটু প্রবলেম ছিল তো এর জন্য আমি ক্লাসে একটু লেট করে
ওকে,
দিচ্ছি।
নাম্বার 2 আম্মু, নাম্বার 2 এর কোশ্চেন ছিল find the divisibility of the number 6. So which number should be placed in the blank box so that the number will be placed in number will be divisible
নাম্বার
by
1
6.
দেখাতে পারবেন, আমি একটু
না
স্ক্রিনশটটা
আম্মু নাম্বার 1 এ আমরা আবার কাম ব্যাক করব। নাও এখন তুমি যদি 1 এ যাও আবার আমাদের অনেক টাইম হবে, জাস্ট এন্ডিং টাইমে আমি আবার রিভিউ করব। So the next question, which number this is the co-prime number. Concept is co-prime number. There is now 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9. There are 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, and 9, 10. So there are total 6 pair of number given here. So which pair is co-prime? Write in the comment section, or please, there are total 6 set of number, 6 pair of number. Which pairs are co-prime number? Which pairs are co-prime number? Please, number 3, you can write the answer. Number 2, answer is 5. Yes. Asha bint Azad, your answer is 5. Number 2, thank you, Ammu. Tahsina Ahmed, your answer is 100 billions. Yes, right answer. Question number 1. So now co-prime number. Please, everyone, identify the co-prime numbers. I think you are busy in writing the questions. Okay. Please, just after completing question writing, you can raise your hand. The co-prime number. Tahia Islam, I think you have complete question writing. So now, Ammu, is it possible to find out the co-prime number? 221. Tahia Islam.
Yes, sir.
Did you get which number are co-prime here? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, okay, let me review by another. Raima, you are totally silent today. And what is the answer here? Which number co-prime? Unmute yourself first.
Sir, আমি এখনো পড়ছি।
Okay, sure, Ammu, carry on. খুব কুইকলি করতে হবে আম্মু। Simple question এখানে, just finding the common factors. If you get any
আমি
common,
বলতে পারবো।
did you complete আম্মু? Raise your hand.
স্যার আমার এখানে রেজ হ্যান্ড করা যাচ্ছে না।
আচ্ছা আম্মু দাঁড়ান, আপনি হাত তুলে দাঁড়ান, তাহলে আমি আপনাকে খুঁজে পাবো। Okay, okay, please carry on. What is the answer?
স্যার 6 and 7।
Your answer is only 6 and 7 co-prime. Is there only one set?
Sir,
Your answer
Yes,
is
sir.
6, 7.
sir,
Only-
can I say?
Yes, Ammu, please.
Sir, I think the answer will be 6, 7, the
Six,
pair
seven.
6, 7, the pair 6, 7, 8, the pair 8, 9, and the pair 9, 10.
Pair 8, 9, pair 9, 10. Is it 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9, 10? Is 3
Yes,
or
sir.
এই তিনটা হচ্ছে co-prime set? Yes.
Sir, 7, 8 ও আছে।
7, 8 to Assam. Okay, now clear your answer. Why you think they are co-prime?
Sir, ফার্স্ট দুইটা পেয়ারের ডিভিজিবিলিটি বের করার পরে
Try to speak in English. Okay. Why you think they are co-prime number? Because
sir, because their factor is
Yes,
same
have
and
no
only
common
one,
yes, they have no common
except one.
except one. They
except
have no
one.
common factors except one. ওকে আম্মু, এখন তাহলে দেখো তোমাদের এই জায়গাগুলোতে কি ধরনের কনফিউশন তোমরা ক্রিয়েট করছো বলো তো। এখানে কোনো কমন ফ্যাক্টরস আছে কিনা? এভরিওয়ান 3 and 4, ইজ देयर এনি কমন ফ্যাক্টরস এক্সেপ্ট 1?
No, sir.
তাহলে
No, sir.
No,
so
sir.
this is the
এটাই হবে।
co-prime, একটা co-prime number. Is there any common factors? Number
No,
2,
sir.
No,
there is
sir.
no also common factor, so this is also co-prime number. There is no common factor, this is also co-prime number. There is no common factor, this is co-prime number. There is also no any common factor, this is also co-prime number, and this is also co-prime number, and all are co-prime number here. এখন দেখো আমি
Sir,
একটা
all of them are co-prime numbers here.
yes, here all of them are co-prime number. Okay, let me clear by giving one answer properly. Let's suppose we are choosing here 8. So 8 এর factors গুলো কি হবে? 1, 2, 4 and 8. বলো 9 এর factors গুলো কি হবে? 1, 3
And 9.
তো দেখো তো,
And 9.
is there any common factors except 1?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, that's why they are also co-prime. In the same way, you can find co-prime number. I think now it's very clear.
Sir.
আমি কি আর অন্য কোনোটা টেস্ট করতে হবে আম্মু? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think
Yes,
now
sir.
concept clear. তাহলে আম্মু ভুল করা যাবে না. So this is the ending time. I think. Okay, that's all are the co-prime number here. Now next questions, number 4.
স্যার আপনি কি 2 নাম্বারটা আবার দেখাবেন?
Amo, just end of the class, I will show the full set question again. Now give attention in now question number 4. আমি যদি এখন আবার 1 2 তে মুভ করি, you cannot understand the question number 4. So now please raise your hand. I want maximum student. HCF. Maria Anjum Emma, get ready. I will call your name just 10 seconds later. And find the answer this one. I think, okay, there are still you didn't raise your hand. There are 2 students have raised already hand. Yes, Ammo. Just wait few seconds. সবাই একটু কোশ্চেনটা লিখুক। HCF of 3/2 and 4/8. HCF of 3/2 and 4/8. So by using the formula, you have to find the answer. There are 2 students have raised hand. Just 10 seconds more. Naushin Hassan, Ammo, did you complete?
No, sir. আমি এখনো করছি।
Ammo, please do hurry up. Okay, আমি একজনকে একটু কোশ্চেন আগে জিজ্ঞেস করি। 329. Okay, let me review. Is there 330? 330, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
330. So what is the formula of HCF of the fractions? Formula of HCF finding in the fractions. Okay, 307. Ammo,
Sir, pass.
Yes, sir.
what is your answer and what is the formula?
Sir, the formula is HCF of the numerators divided by the LCM of the denominators. And my answer is 1/8.
Your answer is 1/8 and the formula is HCF equal to, okay, let me review your answer. HCF, that means you said HCF of numerator, then LCM of
Denominator.
denominators. Okay. Numerator আমাদের HCF বের করো। What is the HCF of numerator? 1. 1. What is the LCM of denominator?
8.
8.
8.
Absolute answer is 1
1
by
by
8.
8.
Ammu,
Sir, 1 by 8.
thank you, Ammu. Congratulations. Now be prepared for the next questions. Okay. Now next question, question number 5. What is the greatest? What is the greatest number? What is the greatest number of 3-digit? Which is divisible by 5? What is the greatest number of 3 digits which is divisible by 5? Very easy and simple question. Tasnia Ahmed, I have received your comment. All are the co-prime number, yes. 1 by 8, your answer.
Wait, আমি কি মিউট করে দিছি?
Okay,
বলবা না?
মাইকের সামনে এত জোরে কাজ দিলে তো আম্মু কানের ভিতরে জঘন্য অবস্থা হবে। ওকে, so number 5, please carry on. Number 5. Arisha Gadri already done, Ammu? Okay, you can write your answer to me in the comment section. 310, Ammu, you can write your answer in the comment section. There are only 2 students have raised hand. What is the greatest number of 3 digit which is divisible by 5? Now let me find out the students. Is there Shiropa? Shiropa Ammu, তুমি এখানে আসো? Did you get my sound, Shiropa? Please raise your hand if you can hear me. Okay, now let me review the one students here. 338, Ammu, 338. Tahsina Ahmed. Okay, Ammu, please. What is the condition for the divisibility by finding 5? 338. What is the condition to be the divisible by 5? 338.
Yes, sir.
5 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হওয়ার জন্য আমাদের কি কন্ডিশন ছিল বলো তো আম্মু?
First of all, we write the greatest 3-digit greatest number, like.
Okay, Ammu, I asked you the question, which is the condition to become the divisible by 5? 5 দ্বারা একটা নাম্বার ডিভাইড হবে কিনা, how we can take the decision? What is the technique, short technique? Okay, Ammu, okay, give attention. Let me review another one. Ayat Amina Hussain.
Yes, sir.
আম্মু বলো তো এখানে কোন একটা নাম্বার 5 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হতে হলে কি কন্ডিশন লাগবে বলো?
Sir, the last number has to be 0 or 5.
Yes, last number should be 0 or 5. Absolutely right answer. Okay, now what is the answer of this question? There are 3 students have raised. আম্মু আমি এখন একটু নতুন স্টুডেন্ট যারা আগে আনসার করেনি। 334. আম্মু, what is your answer? 334 and 233. Sorry, 232 and 334. Ammu, what will be the answer of question number 5?
995.
995, your answer. Okay, now 300 10. Ammu, she's right.
Sir, it will be 990.
990 your answer. Okay. Now anyone else? Is the different answer? 300, 190. 990. Your answer is also 990. Okay, let me review. First step, find the greatest number of 3 digit. 999. এখন গ্রেটেস্ট মনে রাখতে হবে যে গ্রেটেস্ট নাম্বারের সাথে আর কখনো অ্যাড করা যাবে না। যদি গ্রেটেস্ট নাম্বারের সাথে আমরা কোনো নাম্বার অ্যাড করি, it will no more 3 digit number, এটা 4 digit নাম্বারে কনভার্ট হয়ে যাবে। সো গ্রেটেস্ট নাম্বারের সাথে কখনোই অ্যাড করা যাবে না, নো অ্যাড। তার মানে আমাকে সাবট্রাক্ট করতে হবে। আমি এমন ভাবে সাবট্রাক্ট করব যাতে এখানে 0 আসে অথবা 5 আসে। তাহলে এখানে 0 করতে হলে 9 মাইনাস করতে হবে, কিন্তু আমি যদি 5 মাইনাস করি, if I subtract the 5 here, যদি আমরা এখানে 4 মাইনাস করি তাহলে আসবে 5। যদি আমি 4 মাইনাস করি, if I subtract the 4 from this number, it one will be 995। তাহলে আমাকে যদি বলে গ্রেটেস্ট নাম্বার, তাহলে এটা একটা গ্রেটেস্ট নাম্বার। এখন তোমরা বলো তো which number is the greatest? তোমরা যে আনসার গুলো বলেছিলে বলো তো 990, 995, so it 990, 995, বলো তো এই দুটো নাম্বারের মধ্যে গ্রেটেস্ট নাম্বার which one?
Sir, 995.
995। যেহেতু আমার কোশ্চেনে ছিল গ্রেটেস্ট নাম্বার, both number is divisible by 5, because the question is requirement greatest number of 3 digit, that's why this is exactly correct answer. I think তোমরা যারা এখন 990 বলছো, your answer is not correct, because the question requirement is the greatest number of 3 digit. So comparing these two number, greatest one is this one. I hope now you got the point. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Ammu. Now next question, question number 6. The question number 6 here. This is the question number.
ক্লাসের টাইম না শেষ হয়ে গিয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ আম্মু, আমি দেখাচ্ছি, just 10 seconds, আমরা আর একটা কোশ্চেন দেখাবো।
4 মিনিট বাকি আছে।
হ্যাঁ, yes,
Yes,
now we have remaining 1/3 divided 1/3 divided 1/3। দেখা, এর sometimes এই টাইপের একটু ইজি কোশ্চেন গুলো একটু কনফিউশন ক্রিয়েট করে। প্লিজ 1/3 divide 1/3 divide 1/3। নেক্সট কোশ্চেনটা বোর্ডে একটু লিখে ফেলি। দ্য ডেসিমেল নাম্বার 13520 divided by 1000000। I think একটু প্রপারলি লিখি, 10000 and 0 will be what in the decimal? So the two
Sir.
questions, yes, 6 number answer,
Yes, sir. শুধু 1 আসে।
6 number answer 1, 7 number answer. Okay,
Sir,
Yes.
6 number 1 answer is 1.
it's 1. Okay, let me review. 7 number answer,
Sir,
Yes,
6 number answer 3 আসে। 3 আসে।
7 number,
নাম্বারের অ্যানসার 3 আসবে।
Sir, answer 6 number হচ্ছে 3.
6 number answer 3. What is the 7 number answer? Okay, just 10 seconds. 0 দিয়ে divided technique easy. How many digits? Just count here. 2, 4, 5. There are 5 digits. So decimal এখানে 5 ইউনিট সামনে আসবে। decimal 5 ইউনিট সামনে যদি আসে কি হবে বলো? 1 ইউনিট, 2 ইউনিট, 3 ইউনিট, 4 ইউনিট and 5 unit.
0.1352
Yes.
0.01356.
Yes, 0.01.
0.123.
Yes.
0.0125
Okay, now 7 number question. 7 number question, 1/3 divide 1/3 divide 1/3. So now divide take আমি multiply করে আসি first. 1/3 divide 1/3, আমি এই divide টাকে আগে calculation করি, divide convert it into multiply।
3/1.
ওকে, একসাথেই করে নেই। 3 by 1, again multiply 3 by 1. So now একটা 3 সাথে 3 টাকে কেটে নাও, there will be 3 answer. 3 by 1 means 3. Clear? So I think now এখন আম্মু বলো তোমাদের কার কোনটা মিস হলো। I will show the screenshot again, please.
স্যার 1 নাম্বারটা একটু দেখাবেন।
Sir, 2 number.
Okay, আম্মু number 1 and number 2, please. 2 নম্বরের কোশ্চেনটা খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করো। 1 নাম্বার তো সবাই দেখলেই পারবা। This means in international system what is called the given number. 2 নম্বরের কোশ্চেনটা হচ্ছে which list number should be placed in the blank box so that the number will be divisible by 6. Which list number should be placed in the blank box so that the number will be divisible by 6. So inshallah, tomorrow we have one more class. We will revise it's a geometry.
7 নাম্বারটা অ্যানসারটা বললেন না।
Which number?
7
7 number answer already done, Ammu. Please just give the 0 here. Already time is over, Ammu. Please.
স্যার
Yes. Yes.
আপনি কি কালকে ক্লাসে একটু এমসিকিউ গুলো করাতে পারবেন জিওমেট্রি থেকে?
Inshallah, tomorrow we will revise geometry and algebraic side. Inshallah. Okay.
ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Okay. Dear students, I think you have complete our questions here. So, thank you so much. Hope to see you all in the tomorrow's class and wish you all the best and best of luck for your upcoming exam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Allah Hafiz, sir.